obviously there's a rivalry, and Connor gets frustrated. He gets a stick up, and he's frustrated because we're down 1 goal, and we're down 1 goal, and the best player in the league is getting held for 15 seconds, and there's frustration that's allowed to happen, and his stick got up, and so that's what happened.
We watch the show Bluey, and every episode I cry.
No!
To really dig in.
Jake, thanks for joining me today.
Generational talent.
Thanks for liking the video and subscribing.